Welcome back to Termination X.
I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
We're
and
both
today
here
we've
with...
got- I thought I'd open.
I can open mine too.
Open first. This is the one that, like, well, just like her, I like to get. So should we show, like, everything at the same time?
Well, yeah, we were thinking, like, if you show the front, I can
There's
show
this.
or I can show the inside since...
And it says, love what's in your beauty fix. Save up to 20% with code FALLFAVES. So just so you know. But at least it's fall themed. Good job.
Pull something out so she can just...
Well, so we can pull the same thing.
I was just thinking you could pull the next thing, but
Alrighty,
yeah. Okay, yeah,
fine.
so I'll pull one, and then whatever you're pulling out, I'll pull out, but I'll set it aside. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is Sanita's Lemon Cream Scrub Facial Polish. So there's that. Okay.
I'll go from the top. Just good stuff on the bottom. There's Caviar, a smoothing anti-frizz dry oil mist, lightweight shine for all hair types. By Alterna, if I'm saying that right.
I feel like I literally have this over there somewhere. Hang on, let me see.
Let's
Off
see if
camera
she's
for a second.
right.
Or if it's something just similar. Let's see. So the one I have is this.
Anti-frizz dry oil and anti-frizz dry.
They're almost...
One's smoothing, one's omega.
Are they different brands? No. Or, no, they're the same.
Well, is the Caviar...
I don't know if you can even see those. But I think they're almost the same thing. Anyway. But
Is that you taking your turn?
yes.
Oh. So
Go ahead. Yeah.
How about Miss the Gasp? Beauty on my turns, hydrate and glow, hydrating and eliminating day mask, brightens, hydrates, and detoxifies. Yay! I should see if you have to rinse it off though. While
one
you
of
put
us
your next
did-
one, I'm gonna see if you have to rinse
One
it
of
off.
us did show the mist though, right?
Yeah.
I don't even know because like I showed it from way over here. Okay, and then the thing I'm pulling out is Tula Probiotic Skincare Dual Phase Skin Reviving Treatment Pad. Polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter skin. And I'm one that does like to exfoliate as much as I can without doing it too much. But
No need to rinse on that one, which is exciting. I have too many that I need to rinse and I never end up using them, so yay. This one, ooh, this is one of the things that might be for Halloween because I'm going to be 10 different things because my work dresses up every day for like 10 days. This is Taka, whatever it's called. It was a perfume, a Cleopatra. So that's one of the things I'm still deciding because it's any important person like in history.
okay,
or
and then
whatnot.
this is Glytone. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Ultra Softening Heel and Elbow Cream Body Therapy. 29.5 free acid value. I don't know what that means. Anyway, there's that.
And even taller and bigger is Renee Ferturer, I don't know, Paris Spa. Nouveau, it's new. Carite Ritual Nutrition Mask. This is intense nourishing mask. There we go. Very dry hair. I needed the English on that, so there's that. It's a big size.
And then I have Rituals, the Ritual of Dao, bringing peace and tranquility into your life, balancing foaming shower gel with White Lotus and Yi Ren, if I'm saying that right. And I have a few of their products which I like, so that's good.
And the last one I think we both have is Vichy, if I'm saying that right. Gosh, that's our English version. So Purity Thermal 3-in-1, a one-step cleanser, sensitive skin, cleansing milk toner, eye makeup remover. I'm actually really happy to get this because I'm using Clinique cleanser and this one other cleanser, and they're both getting low, and I literally don't have money to buy like another cleanser.
I just don't know when it says it can do multiple things. I'm like, I prefer to have each thing like
Separate.
but
So I'm happy, but she's not.
I mean, I'll have to test it and see if it's as good as.
But that was it for this video. We are doing back-to-back videos, so if you see us in the same clothes and you without makeup, her with makeup, she looks so gorgeous. That's why. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for making short videos that you can see right away. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways, which we're doing very soon at 100 subscribers. Thanks for joining us.
Take care.
Bye.